Are you facing issues with dictation not working on your Apple Watch? It usually happens because of poor internet, microphone problems, or a bug in the system. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the dictation issue in your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check that dictation is enabled. First, open up the settings on your Apple Watch. Next, scroll down a little bit. Tap General. Scroll down again. Tap Dictation. Make sure the dictation here. Solution 2. Enable Siri. Open up the settings again. Next, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Siri. Now tap on Listen for. Here, make sure to select Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 3. Restart Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now, again, press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will appear. And this is the way to solve the dictation issue in your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.